It's so sweet.
It's pure alcohol.
Today's adventure is gonna be dirty. Oh no! No! Put it back in. Literally dirty. Today we're gonna head to a winery in Changhua City. I've never heard of a winery in Taiwan, so this should be a pretty interesting experience. Right, we're on our way to Changhua and we are in the car with our friend Victoria. Hello! And Yao is driving. She can't say hi, she's focused. We're excited. It's gonna be a fun day.
Debate right now is why is pizza considered a dessert?
Yeah. The question of the day.
Brownie, mirror cheesecake. Green sauce, mushroom, flat pizza.
So this is like the lettuce seeds, and normally it's white, but I don't know why this is a dry one. Maybe it's like too old. Just give it a try. God, cannot do it. It's too hard.
It's okay. That's why we vlog these things.
No.
It's supposed to be white?
Yeah. Maybe that is the white one.
Oh, it feels like you should not eat that.
Maybe it's too. Maybe the white one should be like that
Listen
one.
to this.
Yeah.
I don't think you should.
Okay, now we're headed to the vineyard.
We're to our actual destination. We were just checking out these places while we were in the area, and it was pretty cool. Got to see all sorts of cacti. We drove for, well, she drove for a long time in like really kind of country cool. There's rice fields and dragon fruit. This is the vineyard, but we don't know exactly what's going on. And it's in the more traditional style. What's it called, Yao?
三合院.
The style of houses. So it's a very unique and interesting experience. We're excited.
Megan. Oh, Megan. Yes. Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice
and
to meet
Gabe.
you.
好，那我们这就是彰化的20的兰辉酒庄。对，那我们的葡萄园已经有50年的历史。那我们这边就是可以做一些 DIY 酿酒的活动啊，然后也是可以做一些品酒这样子。欢迎大家过来玩。
We're gonna go grab the grapes from the field, but
So we should take one hat. It's gonna be very hot.
can I wear this hat? YouTube, tell me.
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Can we wear this?
Or is this cultural
那你们在
appropriation?
葡萄园哈，多照一张 photo， 多照一张。
Okay, good.
He's got the
我们
hat.
要收到。
东西可以先放这边。
Always.
None of those other people have hats on, but we. I just realized we were
Not getting the full experience.
We're getting the full experience.
它颜色有没有？还有这种比较浅的，这个就还先不要，它还没有整串黑。我们要尽量找整串都是黑色的，会比较像这种整串都是黑的，会比较好。
That is the more preferable one to take because that one is still some green, like color still light.
Yeah.
Want to try one? Why not?
I get the feeling this is gonna be sour.
It's gonna be super sour. I wish I had Gabe's faith. Thought we were coming for a wine tasting. Now I'm going like through the vineyards here, cutting grapes.
How about this one? Is it this one?
got grapes. I just instinctually, when I was done, put my scissors like this.
Hashtag teacher.
Hashtag kindergarten teacher. I'm way too tall.
That's the first time she's ever had to say that.
Right, I think we are like 1/3 finished.
Okay, what we're doing now, we are laying them out on in these cart containers, and we have to clean them off, get any like excess dirt and bugs off of them, and then as there's a spider right there. What? Oh no.
Quick.
Then what happens? Do we know? We don't.
Then we're not sure. It's an adventure.
对，放在上面都可以，都可以。
This one's done already.
It's pretty much rings, right?
I mean,
So.
relatively speaking, the underside didn't rinse at all. Right.
All right, we rinsed the grapes, and now.
Now what? Oh, here, right here.
It's okay.
I don't know why we're writing our names on this.
这个是红酒。
Cheers.
大家都可以再试。
But it is alcoholic.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can definitely, yeah. Almost definitely.
Is the fermented naturally?
So the next one is smooth, and then after that is sweet.
What is this jar? Is that?
那个。
Yeah, it has a sweeter smell to it.
We think this one's a little bit better than the first one because the first one was really very like alcohol flavor in your face. So this one's a little bit more palatable.
Oh, that's definitely sweeter.
This one's exceptionally sweeter than the other one.
I quite like it. Put some Coke into my stuff. Some Coke.
I'd say some Sprite or seltzer water.
Wine and Coke. Coke and Coke.
We're keeping that in the video.
You never had Coca-Cola?
那像这次的做法，我们就是像在国外，
Yeah,
This is the best one.
味道比较少一点点。
Oh my
对
god.
对对，
46%.
加进去没有吃到。
This can power a car.
It's too strong for me.
要试一下。
Now they're getting
Yeah.
ice cream made. So there's brandy and banana
I
together.
didn't have any effect by it.
And orange and red wine, and then some blue little flower and red wine. So we're gonna get one of each one, and we're gonna see what it's like. But Gabe can't eat it, so he can.
Can we just share the name of the flower that is
Gabe,
mixed
read that
with this
out.
ice cream is? Gabe,
He refuses to say it.
My grandma might be watching.
we can show it to you.
Right there, yep.
Click, click,
I don't
blah
know
blah
what Gabe's
blah.
referring
Click,
to.
blah blah blah.
对，那另外就是有成的。
Oh yeah.
Professional.
Okay, this is the ice cream.
What is it?
对，我们这个也是。
Look at this color.
对，因为它有加，可以啊，可以啊，可以吗？可以啊。
Yeah, the colour gives no indication of how it's going to taste. It's actually quite banana-y.
Yeah, I can taste the wine.
I can taste the brandy in that. Now we have to sanitize this jar. Why? I have no idea. Do you know why?
I think the concept is that we're going to make some sort of moonshine.
We're making moonshine.
So just pick like the dark one.
Yeah.
And the black one.
我找了，不是。
How many grapes should go into the jar?
90%.
Wine is quite labour intensive, huh?
We got to make our own wine. Well, in the process of making our own wine, you have to squeeze every grape, and then you have to put it in the jar. Hope for the best. It's gonna be something we want to drink later.
好，我们大家再收个片。
好，想说把它收一收。
We're gonna have a Christmas party later, and they're coming over, and because they said it'll be ready in 2 months.
当效的，那因为你们这个量比较小，没有办法。我都不晓得会不会成功哎。可以啦，这个覆盖率。
Oh my god.
Tastes like grape squeezed on my hand.
Oh,
Did you spill?
Pick it up.
I've spilled it. They said it wasn't enough, so we had to add more. Victoria thought she was done. They denied her. They got
Are you going to tell me more?
we all got denied.
That is the face of denial.
This has been a really interesting experience. We thought we were just coming to taste wine, and now we were out in the field picking grapes. We tried not just wine, but DIY wine and brandy and
Ice cream.
and now we're making our own wine.
And
So
we're gonna get a banana at the end.
and we're getting a banana at the end. See, here's the bananas. We're getting them. And here's a puppy. He's just hanging out. Alright, we just finished making our wine and we had quite a surprise of the day. I thought we were just going for a wine tasting. We want to thank the vineyard for giving us this amazing experience. They provided everything and they were very helpful and very kind. And yeah, it was really fun. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share. See you in the next one. See you in the next one, subscribe.